HubSpot CRM Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be reviewing the HubSpot CRM Affiliate Program. Links to the product can be found in the description below, so make sure to check them out for more details. HubSpot CRM is an all-in-one customer relationship management tool that's designed to help businesses of all sizes grow and manage their customer interactions more effectively. With features like contact management, email marketing, lead tracking, sales automation, and detailed reporting, it provides everything you need to enhance your sales and marketing efforts. Now, let's dive into the HubSpot CRM Affiliate Program. It's a great way for marketers to earn commissions by referring others to HubSpot's CRM platform. The program is highly rewarding, offering up to $1,000 per referral based on the product tiers that customers purchase. The commission structure is performance-based, so the more referrals you bring in, the more you can earn. HubSpot offers an affiliate dashboard with real-time tracking, giving you full visibility into your performance, clicks, and conversions. One of the biggest advantages of the HubSpot CRM affiliate program is its trust and credibility. HubSpot is a household name in the CRM space, known for its powerful features and user-friendly interface. This makes it easier for affiliates to promote because you're recommending a trusted brand that businesses already rely on. The program also offers a long cookie duration, meaning you get credit for sales that occur within 90 days of someone clicking on your referral link. As an affiliate, HubSpot provides a wide range of marketing materials, including banners, email templates, and content to help you effectively promote the CRM software. The tools and support make it easy to integrate the affiliate program into your existing platforms, whether you're promoting via blogs, YouTube, or social media. Overall, if you're looking to recommend a robust CRM solution and earn significant commissions along the way, the HubSpot CRM affiliate program is definitely worth considering. With a great product, solid commission structure, and support, you can start earning passive income while helping businesses thrive. Be sure to check out the links in the description to get started. Thanks for watching.